Hi everyone, welcome back to Masterchefmom kitchen. Thank you so much for the love that you have showed on my previous video. So today I am here to share another interesting recipe with you all. It's chai time and everybody is slightly hungry and I'm going to make...
Sorry, you're making something?
Yeah, can you smell it already?
Yeah, I can see onion.
So I'm going to make some pakoras. So I'm going to make Chennai Style onion pakoda.
Wow, it's tea time.
Yeah, it's your favorite also. Yeah, so I'm going to make onion pakoda today, and this is Chennai style and very simple to make but very very tasty. We have it with so many other things also, along with chai, along with curd rice and anytime snack.
It will be lovely and I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, so shall we start making?
Sure.
So I'll show you. Okay, so to make the onion pakoda, so you need first onion. And then, so I've taken 2 onions, I've sliced it very thinly. Okay, I've used a slicer and I've thinned it. It should be like this. So this is the main part of this pakoda. If you want the pakoda to be, crunchy and it'll be nice, the texture has to be nice, means the cutting this is most important. So you have to cut it so thinly, nicely like this. So 2 onions I have taken. Next is besan, that is chickpea flour. Kadla maavu. Okay. So kadla maavu I have taken how much? 1/3 cup. So for 2 onions I have taken 1/3 cup. And then I have taken 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Okay, this rice flour I am going to add because I want that crunch. When you eat the pakoda, even tomorrow you have some leftover, it will be crunchy, it will be nice. So for that rice flour. Then some curry leaves, it gives flavor. So I have used...
Chennai signature.
Yeah, so curry leaves. Yeah, if you have fresh curry leaves, then please add curry leaves. So next is Kashmiri chilli powder and next turmeric. This is for that color, extra color. And then dhania powder.
Okay.
So these are the ingredients I'm going to use. But you can also use garlic. Some people use garlic, just coarsely crush and add garlic. Then you can add saunf. Then you can add, that is somb. Then you can add ajwain. The caraway seeds. Then you can add any other masala. I want to add some garam masala, you can add garam masala. So this you can personalize, customize, but I am making Chennai style, number Chennai style I am making. So these are the ingredients, basic and
Is it that simple that I can also make it?
Yeah, you can also make. Next time you're going to make and you're going to give me chai with pakoda I want. Okay. He makes very good chai. He makes very good chai. Now he's going to make pakoda also. One more thing I forgot. Oil. Look at the oil. So I've kept oil also. So I've kept it in low flame. I thought I'll first show and then fry. It will be ready. Oil will be ready.
Which oil you're using?
So this I am using groundnut oil. Okay, so groundnut oil I'm using, but if you want to use any other oil, like some people use coconut oil or refined oil also they use. So that is your preference. I use groundnut oil. Okay. So, and iron kadai, that is an important thing, the color of the pakoras, that changes with the iron kadai. So if you use an iron kadai, the pakoras come out even tastier. Pakoras or any fried snack, so iron kadai I'm using. Okay, so let's see whether the oil is hot. I'm just increasing the flame. So for this, by the time the oil is hot, let's mix all this, no? Okay. So first I'm going to add the sliced onions. Okay.
Give it to me.
Here. So nice it is. Okay. Now next I'm going to add all the masalas. Okay, to this. So first kadhi patta I'll add. So what you have to do is for kadhi patta, you lightly tear it and you add it. Okay. Next I'm going to add chilli powder and this.
If people like green chilies, can they put it?
Yeah, green chilies also you can put. Only thing, when small children are eating, it might come in the mouth. And it might burn their tongue. So that's why I don't put. But green chilies you can use. If you're a person who likes spice, then you can add green chilies also. That's what you can customize however you want. Dhania powder. So, freshly ground always gives better taste. So now I've added this. I'm going to add little salt. Okay, little salt in this, and hing also. Little pinch of hing in this. Okay. So for pakoras, best thing is to use the hands for mixing. Okay, so nicely mix it with hand. why I'm adding salt is the water will get released from the onions. So we don't need to use so much of oil for the pakoras. Water for the pakoras. Okay. So you can use less.
I can squeeze lemon and actually eat this as salad.
No, it's nice. It's already looking nice. See, some peanuts also, no? Fried peanuts in this. Okay, that's another recipe. For another video we'll do. So this is done. So I mixed it well. Okay, so onion, everything is coated well with the chili powder. Now I'm going to add the besan. Okay, and also rice flour. So rice flour is optional only. If you don't want rice flour, you want to do only with chickpea flour means you can always make it. But it gives that crunch. So now I forgot to take some water. Can you get me some water? Just few drops of water we are going to add. See how it is looking. You can see the slices in this. Yeah. So first I'm going to add, just few drops. See. Okay, and mix it. So nicely I've mixed. Okay. So it's almost done. Mixing is done. Now I'm going to, this is a very important step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some hot oil and I'm going to add it to this pakoda mix. Did you hear the sizzle?
Yeah.
So that's a trick actually. I learned this from one, pakoda Anna in Munirka. He was making pakoras. I went and I stood and I was watching him make it. And he was adding this oil and it tasted so nice.
Rama Market.
Rama Market. Okay. So from that I'm using this tip. See, the texture also has changed after I added the oil. So now we can start making. The oil is ready. And taste also he checked. The salt is perfect. So you can just start making our pakoras. See how it's sizzling. Keep it in low flame only while you're doing this. Otherwise it will blacken very fast because you have added very less flour. My whole kitchen is, smelling of this pakoras now. So Raghu, was it easy?
Yeah, it's quite easy. In fact, if you go around Tamil Nadu, many of the street corner sweet stall, evening 4 o'clock, they're making this hot onion pakoras. You can actually smell in every
Correct.
Near every sweet stall you can smell the pakora.
Yeah. So it's done. It's browned beautifully.
Oh, it's nicely done.
Yeah. So I'm draining it. Do you know this ladle? It's called spider.
Okay.
Yeah. So I've removed this. Okay.
Should I switch off the?
Yeah, I'll switch it off. So nice. No, it is. Yummy.
I think by the time it cools down, we should put one nice tea and have it together.
Yeah, we'll have one chai. So I'm going to go and make one chai so that we enjoy this. I hope you loved this video. Like, comment and also subscribe to our videos, and we'll be back soon with another interesting and yummy recipe. Do try these pakoras and have it with chai.
And don't blame me if you're getting fat. But let me tell you, these are really yummy.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay? Thanks.
Wait and all this.
I already gave it. It's lovely.
It's crunchy also.
With ginger tea, it's amazing.
So you make these pakoras soon and you know how tasty it is. So do like this video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll be back soon with another tasty and easy to make tasty dish. So, bye.
Bye.